Greeting my dear lovers of Asia, it is me, Milena the Russian geek and geek girl who lives right now in Korea, and I'm coming at you with an unboxing video. This time I bought something for making a stream from my PlayStation 5 beta. Yes, I bought it, a microphone. Whoop. Yeah, thank you. Well, I literally not so patient person, especially when I was like researching a lot of things in internet, and when I find something I want to buy it right away, because especially when you want to understand if everything working well. So my choice was with it was like I haven't even a choice. Well, okay, it was a choice, but it was like a last one thing which I would buy it. So right, a snowball. Little bit background story. So I was trying to fix my sounds on PlayStation, and I find it that I couldn't be heard in a streams. Just like my friends hear me, I can hear them like through the PlayStation charts and stuff, but nothing in a stream. I was figured out, 3 streams was literally silent. It was frustrated. I was searching like every single video, and one thing which I was noticed that I wasn't using like extension mic. I was using like in my controllers, in my headsets. Like, come on guys, it's so super like lame headsets, not so gaming. So I was like about a month searching why I can't stream in with the voice. So I was trying to find it, and I will be pretty sure that when I connect this little monster, it will work. I don't know why, just my Vanga tells me that. So let's unbox in my little boo. But you will never believe, I was wanted to buy that mic or that mic. This one, baby boo, was the last in the list. Like, And as you know, all of them have the white, and as you can understand, I'm so whitey. So, well, I'm not sure, but for now, I feel it differently, because when I bought it I was like, okay, I have no other choice, I need to buy that snowball. Maybe I will be throwing this heavy snowball to my enemies in home. But no, it's pricey because it's just 50 bucks. In Korea, 50 bucks with all those transformation, the services, like CANON, importation from other countries, will cost you something about like palmanon. So it's like a little bit more pricey, and literally I was able to save a lot of money if I would bought it in Amazon. Anyway, let's open it, and I will be doing it almost gently, almost. Oops, I rip it. Well, you know me. You know me. I can be like that. Yeah. Sorry. So, what we have here? I must be like that. I'm sorry. I will be like this. You see my legs? No, you're not. So, what do we have? No? Okay. I'm too scared. Let's try. Oh, okay. It's out. It's out. What is that? Okay, something inside. There is something inside, and I need to be taking out. Oops. Okay. So, nothing more. And I think this space could be saved. Why is it so big? Anyway, it's like lost a lot of space. Hey! Oh, wow! That's nice and heavy. Look at that. It's really like a snowball, pretty huge one. Well, I know that this is an old microphone, but a lot of podcasters in the beginning was using it, and I do have a mic on my camera, but I didn't find USB connection. So hello, Snowball. Ooh, I feeling the vibes. I start to feel in the vibes, guys. This is like Death Star.
Roger, roger.
Ooh, my personal Death Star. That's is kind of interesting feelings. Okay. Ooh. They even poke something. It's here. Something. Okay. We have a bowl. We have a bowl. We have a bowls. And we have, I think, extension. Oh, tripod. USB cable. Explanation. And guarantee. Yeah, it's a guarantee, so I not really need those. Let's take it out and present that as it is. Yeah. I will definitely need it in arm. What was that? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. Okay. And it's doing like so. Yay!
A few minutes later.
We'll have a little bit volume. Oh! The symbol! It isn't it? Oh! It is because of extension mic. You! Ooh, okay.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hello. It's working? It is working. Guys, it's working! Thank you for watching with me my unboxing. Now I have my own Death Star to talk with you in a stream. So guys, see you next time, because I have a lot of things to unboxing and sudden streams. See ya! Bye!